Kimchi is more than just fermented cabbage. Its scientific journey reflects centuries of Korean culture. Kimchi is more than just fermented cabbage. Its scientific journey reflects centuries of Korean culture. Today, we explore kimchi's amazing food science. This staple defines Korean culinary identity deeply. But how does simple cabbage transform so profoundly? The answer lies in fascinating microbial chemistry. We'll uncover its cultural roots and scientific secrets. Prepare to see kimchi in an entirely new light. Kimchi's history begins over 1,000 years ago. Early versions were merely salted, preserved vegetables. Koreans needed food for harsh winter months. Salt inhibited spoilage, allowing long-term storage. Fermentation naturally started, adding complex flavors. This crucial process ensured survival and sustenance. A major shift occurred in the 17th century. Portuguese traders brought chili peppers to Korea. Gochugaru, Korean chili powder, became a key ingredient. It added vibrant color, heat, and antioxidant properties. This transformed kimchi into its fiery, iconic form. Culture adapted, incorporating this new world spice. At its core, kimchi is lactic acid fermentation. Lactobacillus bacteria are the microscopic heroes. They thrive in the salty, anaerobic environment. These bacteria convert sugars into lactic acid. This acid lowers pH, preventing harmful pathogen growth. It also creates kimchi's characteristic tangy flavor. Napa cabbage provides essential sugars for fermentation. Garlic and ginger add pungent antimicrobial compounds. Jeotgal, fermented seafood, boosts umami depth. The salt draws water from cabbage via osmosis. This creates the perfect brine for bacterial activity. Each ingredient plays a specific chemical role. Kimjang is the traditional kimchi-making season. Families and communities gather to prepare vast batches. This communal effort strengthens social bonds deeply. UNESCO recognized Kimjang as intangible cultural heritage. It embodies sharing, tradition, and culinary wisdom. Kimchi connects generations through food and science. Kimchi is a marvel of cultural food preservation. Its flavors, history, and science are deeply entwined. From survival food to global delicacy, it evolved. It showcases chemistry's role in culinary traditions. Food science truly shapes our cultural heritage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.